Hi friends, today we are solving balanced binary tree question from the lead code. In this there is a we are given a binary tree in which we need to check whether any two heights are differed if left subtree height and right subtree height is not getting differed by more than 1. So it's like over here the height of left subtree is 1 and height of right subtree is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's acceptable. So in this left is 1, right is 1, so the difference between those two heights are 0, so it is also acceptable. If there is a difference, if there is a difference between heights which is of more than 1, then it will not be acceptable. As you can see over here, the left uh, subtree is having height of 4 and right subtree is having height of 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3 and it's not acceptable. So how to do this? The first thing what we will do is we will find out the height of left of we'll find out the height of subtree. So for that we will write the logic. So public int get height. So this function will give the height of tree node root. If root is null, we'll return 0. Return 0. And recursively we will be finding the height. So return math.max of get height root.left get height root.right plus 1. So it will find out the height maximum height of left and right and will add 1. Since we are not adding anything, so it will add 1. So again this function will return the height of the subtree which we want to calculate. Now what we will do is, if root is null, will return true. I'll explain why. After this we'll check if the root dot this left subtree and right subtree height is not getting differed by max of 1. So we'll check math.abs get height of root.left minus get height root.right is less than or equal to 1, right? Is less than or equal to 1, then it is acceptable, right? Then we'll add another condition and is balanced. So recursively it will check for the left subtree height and the right subtree height again and again and again, and is balanced. So it will check for this. It is not having any left subtree or right subtree, so it will return true afterwards. So again is balance root.left and is balanced, root dot right, this is the if condition. Okay, so if it is like that, it will return true, else return false. Let's check if it is having any syntactical errors. Yes, it is getting accepted. Let's submit it. Yes, it is getting submitted and it's not that fast solution. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.